In this video, I'm going to be talking about HLBZ, Helbiz, exactly what I'm expecting the price to do, the reasons behind it, and all the good stuff. So, just by looking at the weekly chart right here, I can see that we're sitting at 20 cents, 0.2050. Okay, we haven't gotten a break on the weekly time frame, but as I said, it doesn't really matter because maybe it's on the three-day chart. My bad. This is the 3-day chart. Yeah, the 3-day chart definitely broke the structure up there. Okay, just by looking at the performance and how it actually has performed in the past, right here in the bottom right corner, 94 percent in the past series, quite a lot. 85% in the past 6 months. It's again quite a lot of. It's a big number, okay, and quite a lot of negativity right there. And my personal opinion is even from this like high time frame structure, this is just in a huge bearish trend. Like nevertheless, again, after this like 3-day chart that we got, like 3-day break right here that we got, my personal opinions are something different, and I'm definitely expecting some bullish moves from right here. Or what does my prediction look like? It looks like something like this. So I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm just going to leave this on the chart. Let me know your thoughts on it. See ya.